What's going on, beautiful people? Me again. I've been off for a while, obviously trying to manage life, work, family, all that stuff. So I have not had any time to work on the car. But today, work is not that busy, so get the chance to tinker with the car a little bit. And let me show you something really quick then. Right, so back to the topic at hand for the cooler. Okay, we need to install, or I need to install, but I need to install this cooler in here, but having to place it in the original cage, as you can see, everything, and there's a back portion of that, so where the air comes in and out from there. So this is just too big to fit in here, and what I'm planning to do is something that I've seen on the 63 AMGs, right? So obviously the 63 has a little bit wider bumper here in the front, and they're able to squeeze in the cooler. But I've noticed that the here the water pump for the water to air intercooler, this pump leaves over here somewhere in the back. So when I try to put in my cooler here, so hopefully you guys can see a little bit at least, obviously it's coming really close, but it's not fitting yet, and the water pump is on the way. So what I'm trying to do here is, I see that there's some leverage here. Obviously this this line in here can be modified to come further this way. This line can actually go, there's a lot of leeway, so I can actually bend it and come this way, move the horn and relocate this pump just a little bit further back, where I have enough room to squeeze this puppy in. Okay, so that being said, I might even have to take off just maybe this part of the structural support here, you know, just shave that, what, half an inch, whatever, and then tuck in some wires and clean up the area, and I believe this will do. So that being said, there's still again, that being said, I cannot use the original brackets as this is too damn big, so I'm gonna have to find someone to fabricate something here for me, probably weld some tabs, I apologize, weld some tabs in here, so I can probably mount in here the intercooler, and will hopefully be stable, or yeah, we'll see. But after that is complete, I have something else to show you guys. I found this company called Battlebee. Okay, this is going to be for the cooler, the oil cooler that sits on the driver's side. So this will block off, that will replace that cooler that is about this thick, I think, where you have coolant and oil coming together in one cooler. Obviously, first thing for that part will be to warm up the oil quicker, because antifreeze warms quicker than oil, so you can bring the oil up to temperature. And the second part would be to keep that oil at some steady temperature. But as I drive aggressively, the oil temperatures are climbing and climbing and climbing, so I'm going to remove that cooler, put this in its place. It's a billet aluminum, and I'm going to have an additional cooler, a little bit smaller obviously, in here. Okay, and there's plenty of space in here, so that will stay here. That way I can be quite a bit more aggressive with the driving and not worrying about the cooling temperatures going up quickly and staying up for long periods of time. So yeah, that is the plan. I'm going to do my very best to give you guys content as fast as possible, but you gotta know that, yeah, life and family doesn't stop, and my videos are delayed. So yeah, good. See you for now. Bye.